गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः। थैंक यू। आइए, बैठिए, पधारिए। स्वागतम स्वागतम सुस्वागतम। यहाँ उपस्थित सभी परिजनों का अश्विन भाई के जन्मदिवस के कार्यक्रम में हार्दिक स्वागत है।
अस्सी वर्ष पूर्ति, वाह, बहुत बधाई हो आपको अश्विन भाई। सनातन धर्म के अनुसार जब एक व्यक्ति 80 वर्ष पूर्ण करता है तो वह अपने जीवन काल में 1000 पूर्णिमाओं पार करता है। इसे सहस्त्र पूर्ण चंद्रोदयम कहते हैं, यानी कि आपने 1000 पूर्णिमाएं देखी हैं।
आज हम सुनाने नहीं दिखाने जा रहे हैं आपको एक कहानी श्री अश्विन भाई श्रॉफ की।
अश्विन भाई जिन्होंने अपनी सहजता और कुशलता से सबको प्रभावित किया है, कालांतर अपने आप में बदलाव लाकर काल के अनुसार प्रौद्योगिकी दैट इज टेक्नोलॉजी के अनुसार बदलना, यह गुण कोई इनसे सीखे। उनके सरल और सुलभ रचनात्मक सोच ने हमारी धरती और पर्यावरण के बचाव के प्रति पहल की है। अश्विन भाई धैर्य, संवेदना, दूरदर्शी दृष्टि, साहस, परिश्रम, अथक प्रयासों और सेवा भाव का एक प्रतीक है।
So let's embark the journey of Shri Ashwin Bhai Shroff from lab to legacy.
Mr. Ashwin Shroff is the Executive Chairman of Excel Industries Limited. He has been serving the company for more than 50 years in different positions. He has immense experience in the field of chemical and biotech industries. Son of late Mr. C.C. Shroff, founder Excel, and late Mrs. Snehlata Shroff, is affectionately called Ashwin Bhai in the organization. He always leads by example and is the epitome of all the values that make life at Excel so special. He is firmly committed to building consensus and democratic processes, and that is the Excel way of working. He had his schooling at the Premier High School, Matunga, Mumbai, and joined Jai Hind College and later the South Indian Education Society's College of Arts and Sciences, SIAN, in March 1965. He was married to late Mrs. Usha Shroff, daughter of Ratan Se Morarji Khatau, on 5th February 1967. His two sons, Mr. Ravi Shroff and Mr. Rishit Shroff, are looking after the affairs of Excel Industries in the capacity of Managing Director and Executive Director respectively. His daughter, Anshul Shroff Bhatia, is settled in Australia.
Namaskar, my dear colleagues at Excel. I'd like to welcome all of you to Ashwin Bhai's 80th birthday celebration here today. Ashwin Bhai, I'd really like to wish you many happy returns of the day. May you continue to inspire all of us colleagues at Excel with your really innovative ideas and your out-of-box thinking. Wish you all the best and wish all of these endeavors really take Excel to new heights.
A firm believer of his motto, people, planet, and profit, you can see Ashwin Bhai connecting with employees with ease. Many could not believe his impeccable memory of recalling most of the employees by their first names, considering that Excel employs over 1100 people.
अश्विन भाई कमी के हमेशा मुझे पापा की याद आती है। पापा मतलब सीसी श्रॉफ। पापा के जैसा वो माइंड है, आपके साथ बहुत व्यवहार अच्छा करता है, पर्सनल सबको पहचानता है। अश्विन भाई ये उम्र में बहुत एक्टिव रहता है और सब में इंटरेस्ट लेके स्टाफ को सब प्रोत्साहन देके सब आगे बढ़ाता है।
His connect with his people is so strong that you can see him having his daily lunch with the employees at the cafeteria at Excel HQ. His workplace is always surrounded with his colleagues across hierarchy, sharing their thoughts, expressing their opinions, and discussing new ideas. He can converse with the shop floor workers at the same ease with which he converses with the senior leadership team. Many youth who now hold senior positions within Excel or its group companies were directly mentored by Ashwin Bhai himself.
અશ્વિનભાઈ સાથે મારે 1960થી સંબંધ છે. એ નાનપણથી જ ઘણી બધી વિવિધ પ્રવૃત્તિઓમાં એમને ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ હતો. આપણે એક પેલું કહેવત છે કે ત્યાગ મૂર્તિ બાલક કા અવતાર હુઆ સંસાર મેં. એ રીતે અશ્વિનભાઈને બી નાનપણથી ઘણી બધી જવાબદારીના માથા પર આવી પડી હતી નાની ઉંમરમાં. એટલે બધી જવાબદારીઓ આપણે હસતા મોઢે બધું સ્વીકારી લીધી અને બધી દરેક પ્રવૃત્તિઓમાં અમે ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ લઈ અને આગળ વધતા ગયા. અશ્વિનભાઈની મેન તો ખાસિયત એવી હતી કે દરેક ચીજ માટે કોઈ દિવસ નેગેટિવ વાત કરી નથી. કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ કહો કે હો જાયગા કામ, થઈ જ જશે, એવું એમના મનમાં હતું. અને એની સાથે ઘણા સુખ બી જોયા છે, દુઃખ બી જોયા છે. અને એમને જાત જાતના શોખ હતા. એક તો સૌથી વધુ વિન્ટેજ કાર ચલાવતા નાનપણમાં, પ્લસ ત્યાર પછી એમને એનિમલ્સનો શોખ હતો. એનિમલ્સ પાળતા, કૂતરાઓને બધાને. પછી એમને અલગ બીજા ફિલ્ડમાં કામ કર્યું. એમાં એક એક્ઝામ્પલ છે ઔરંગાબાદનો, કે જેની અંદર એક ડેમોન્સ્ટ્રેશન એમણે આપેલું કે ગટરના પાણીને કેવી રીતે ક્લીન કરીને આપણે વાપરી શકીએ. તો એમણે ડેમોન્સ્ટ્રેશનમાં એ ગટરનું પાણી પોતે ક્લીન કરી અને બધાની વચ્ચે પીને બી દેખાડ્યું કે કયા વસ્તુથી આપણે કેવી રીતે કામ થઈ શકે. ને એમનો મોટો એવો છે કે કંપનીની અંદર પણ ફેમિલીની જેમ જ કામ કરવાનું. એ એક્સેલને પોતાની ફેમિલી સમજીને દરેકે દરેક નાના મોટા પ્રશ્નો માટે દરેક માણસને એ બોલાવે. અને અશ્વિનભાઈના કામથી બધા એટલા બધા ખુશ છે કે ચાલો અશ્વિનભાઈને બોલાયા તો આપણે જે અશ્વિનભાઈ પાસે દોડતા દોડતા જાય પ્રેમથી બધી પોતાની વાતો કરે છે એમની સાથે.
Many young executives get inspired by his childlike curiosity and extraordinary energy to attend to multiple matters at the same time. We have seen him moving from one meeting to another, spreading to diverse subjects and giving equally important insights in every meeting. We have heard from some of the employees how Ashwin Bhai remembers everything that was said in every meeting and how he has the capability to take appropriate decisions so accurately. His favorite is the standing committee meeting, an informal setting where he meets his colleagues to have quick 5-minute gatherings, either to take updates, give his opinions, or take feedback.
Ashwin Bhai is a person of many different qualities. Foremost, he is an excellent human being. Then he is a very successful businessman, a great industrialist. The Shroff family, his father, who was actually a chemist, started his Excel Industries and they have excelled into Excel Industries. And Excel now stands for quality, innovation, some very strong values. He is also a philanthropist. The Shroff family, Ashwin Bhai and his cousins, they were telling me they want to make enough money in business so that their social activities can continue. So the purpose of doing business is to ensure the viability of their social activities, which are multifarious, operate in several states, has helped literally lakhs of people. And they do all this without making any noise. So Ashwin Bhai has many different attributes. But all of that, if there is one common theme which runs into all of this, is that he stands firmly for values that he cherishes. And for him, that these are non-negotiable.
Ashwin Bhai strongly believes that a company, especially a chemical company, needs to be a responsible corporate citizen. Corporates should be accountable not just to the shareholders, investors and lenders, but also to its employees and business associates, as also indeed to the surrounding communities and society at large.
I have known Ashwin Bhai, I think, more than 60 years, and he's been always a very simple person. I have never seen him angry, coolly explaining all things. If you are not agreeing with him, he would see that you are convinced. My association with Ashwin Bhai grew much more in last 8-10 years when we formed the GBBF or Global Bhatia community. He is taking very good interest in all the activities of the Global Bhatia. He asked us to do the Parichay Milan, which is for the kids who want to get married. Up till now, we have done more than 50 marriages in the last 10 years. Then we also do the Panjotano, which has also become now an annual feature where all Bhatiyas come and we have the dinner Ashwin Bhai goes into more details and advising us.
Hence, Ashwin Bhai is deeply involved with community services done by various NGOs of Excel Group and others. Excel Group's NGOs undertake activities and work closely with the community. For example, Shrujan Trust is dedicated to promote the art and culture of Kutch. Similarly, VRTI and SFT are active in other areas such as water conservation, health, waste management, income generation, dairy, etc. With more than 50 years of experience in social work, Excel has been successful in maintaining continuous channel of communication with the community.
Ashwin Bhai has carried forward the legacy of Shroff family who believe in trusteeship. Sustainability is key activity. We observe when we go to his cabin that his use of electricity, though there are several lights, he will put only those lights which are essential and required. In addition to industries, he is leading many different development organizations. There are about 8 to 9 NGOs created who are doing the community development activities. He provides all inputs to the development activities. His concern about environment is very high, and that's why he used to tell us that you prepare the community to fight the climate change and adapt the practices so that they are not affected. Climate change is a big issue, he says, and though we are doing a lot of activity, still that reversal, there are a lot of activities need to be done. He says that this can be told in that माना कि इस जहां को गुलशन न कर सके हम, माना कि इस जहां को गुलशन न कर सके हम, कुछ कांटे ही कम कर गए गुजरे जिधर से हम.
Climate change and its reversal has been close to Ashwin Bhai's heart. Excel, along with a few other progressive companies, have taken initiative in this direction, especially the activity of growing seaweeds or macroalgae. Seaweed growing as an activity will benefit the coastal communities in fulfilling their basic needs of water, food, energy, etc. Ashwin Bhai is taking efforts to make sure that within the next few years, India will have well-established value chain of seaweed and it will become one of the noticeable global players.
मैंने आपके साथ एक्सेल में तो काम किया ही है, लेकिन साथ में केशव सृष्टि, विज्ञान भारती, स्वदेशी जागरण मंच इत्यादि संस्थाओं के साथ काम किया है. आपसे उस समय बहुत सीखने को मिला है. सिंपल लिविंग एंड हाई थिंकिंग और पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, इसका तो आप एक मूर्तिमंत एग्जाम्पल है. आप प्रसिद्धि परंगमुख है. आपने कंपनी के लिए, कम्युनिटी के लिए और देश के लिए बहुत काम किया है, लेकिन उसकी पब्लिसिटी कुछ नहीं है. आपने इंडिजिनियस टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया है और वह हमें अभिमान है. इस प्रकार से उदाहरण मैं देना चाहता हूँ. अपना डाईइथाइल ऑक्जेलेट प्रोडक्ट हम अंबोली में बनाते थे. उस समय डिमांड डाईइथाइल ऑक्जेलेट की ज़्यादा थी और अल्कोहल का कोटा डबल अपने को करना था. उस समय मुंबई की गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी थी कि मुंबई में प्रोडक्शन नहीं बढ़ा सकते हैं, लेकिन जॉइंट डायरेक्टर ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज जो थे उस समय, उन्होंने बताया कि अश्विन भाई श्रॉफ यह प्रमोटर है और उनकी कंपनी के लिए हम अल्कोहल सैंक्शन करना चाहिए, उसका मिसयूज बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. इसलिए गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र ने अल्कोहल का कोटा डबल करके एक स्पेशल केस करके अपना डाईइथाइल ऑक्जेलेट का प्रोडक्शन हमने बढ़ाया था.
Ashwin Bhai has been an active spokesman of the Indian chemical industry, interacted with the various government bodies and shared his experience in shaping the industry with specific policies. He had also been associated with publicly funded research institutes like NIIST and IICT.
મને એક્સેલ સાથેના 50 વર્ષમાં લગભગ 45 વર્ષથી અશ્વિનભાઈ સાથે કામ કરવાનું આવ્યું હતું અને યાદ છે કે અશ્વિનભાઈ એન્ડોસલ્ફાન પ્રોજેક્ટ વખતે જ્યારે ભાવનગર આવતા તો એ રાતના બેસીને પેટેન્ટની સ્ટડી કરે ને એને હાઇલાઇટ કરતા હતા. એટલે એમને એક સાયન્ટિસ્ટનો વારસો પપ્પા પાસેથી લીધો, જેમાં સાયન્સ, કેમિસ્ટ્રી, સિન્થેસિસ એ બધું પકડતા, અને કાકાનો વારસો લીધો તો સમાજ સેવા, હ્યુમનિટી, બાયોલોજીકલ, નેચરલ પ્રોડક્ટ રિસોર્સ, એનર્જી સેવિંગ્સ, પોલ્યુશન કંટ્રોલ, એન્વાયરમેન્ટલ વેલ્યુઝ એ બધી કાકા પાસેથી એમને એડોપ્ટ કરી. એ જ સંદર્ભમાં એમને વાંચનનો એટલો બધો શોખ ને એમાં જ્યારે એમને સીવીડ વિશે વાંચ્યું તો એમને થયું કે CO2 સિક્વેસ્ટરિંગથી ક્લાઇમેટ ચેન્જ રિવર્સલનો રસ્તો મળી શકે છે. તો એની માટે એ નિષ્ણાતોને શોધીને ઇવન ટીમ ફ્લેંગિંગ જે ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયન પ્રોફેસર હતા તો એમને 2 વખત મળી આવ્યા. એમને આખી ટીમ બનાવી અને ક્લાઇમેટ ચેન્જ રિવર્સલ માટેના જે વસ્તુઓ થઈ શકે એ બધામાં ભલે ઝાડ લગાડવાના હોય, ઇવન ડેઝર્ટિફિકેશન અટકાવવા માટેના હોય તો પંચકુટાના પ્રોજેક્ટમાં એમને ઝંપલાવ્યું અને અમને એમાં ગાઈડ કર્યા. એમને ઇવન કચરામાંથી સિન્કેસ બનાવીને એમાંથી બાયોમિથેનોલ બનાવવું કે બાંબુનું કલ્ટિવેશન્સ કરીને એ બાંબુમાંથી સેલ્યુલોઝનો ઉપયોગ બાયોઇથેનોલ માટે કરવો, એવા બધા નેચરલ પ્રોસેસ ઉપર પણ એમને ખાસ ધ્યાન અપાયું. બીજું કે ગમે ત્યારે એ બારગામ આવ્યા હોય અને ટીમ સાથે બેઠા હોય તો એ ટીમને પોતાનું પણ લાગે એવા કામ કરતા કે જેમ કે એમને ગાડીમાં ઘણી વખત અમને લઈ જતા અને આઈસ્ક્રીમ ખવડાવે અથવા તો ફાસ્ટ ફૂડમાં અમે સાથે જઈએ તો એ ટાઈપનો પણ એ એકબીજાની સાથેનો સંબંધ જે છે ને એ બહુ જાળવતા. અશ્વિનભાઈને એક્સપર્ટોને ટ્રેકિંગ કરવાનો બહુ શોખ, એટલે કોઈ પણ વિષયમાં જ્યારે ઝંપલાવીએ તો એ શોધી કાઢે કે આ લાઈનમાં કોણ કોણ એક્સપર્ટ છે ને એ પોતે પર્સનલી એમને મળશે. વેધર ઇટ ઇઝ એ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ ઇલેક્ટ્રોથર્મલ પ્રોસેસ હોય કે ઇલેક્ટ્રોકેમિકલ પ્રોસેસ હોય તો કઈ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટમાં કયા નિષ્ણાતને મળીને આપણું કામ જલ્દી થઈ શકે એવું છે તો એ શોધી કાઢતા અને ટીમને ગાઈડ કરતા કે એમની સાથે વાત થઈ છે તમે જઈ આવો.
From his early days till now, he ensures that he visits seminars and exhibitions to meet his customers and competitors to learn more about the chemical industry and its innovations. He is widely recognized for his contributions to the growth of the Indian chemical industry and has received the ICC Lifetime Achievement Award in 2012. He also received the Chemexcel Lifetime Achievement Award in 2018.
Dear Ashwin Bhai, wish you a very happy birthday. તમારો 80મો જન્મદિવસ છે, ખૂબ ખુશી છે. સોરી અમે લોકો તમારી સાથે ત્યાં ઘડી સેલિબ્રેટ કરવા નથી, પણ દિલથી તો અમે તમારી સાથે જ છીએ. વિશ યુ અ વેરી વેરી હેપી બર્થડે.
હેપી બર્થડે અશ્વિન ભાઈ. આકે મિસ કરે વાળો અહીંયા અચી નાઈ શકે વાળો મુંબઈ મેં, પણ મંજા બેસ્ટ વિશિસ આઈન અને નોટ ઓનલી એઝ એલ્ડર બ્રધર પણ કો ડાયરેક્ટર તરીકે મંજે ચેરમેન તરીકે દરેક રીતે બહુ સારો આંજો સાથ રહ્યો હોય અને હંમેશા એડો જ સાથ રહેનો અને પણ એટલા જ પ્રેમથી 11 રનાથી. વન્સ અગેન આંજો 80મો જન્મથી બહુ સરસ બને એવી શુભકામના આશાજી મળે છે.
प्रभु उसको अच्छा है और कंपनी को और आगे बढ़ाए, ऐसा शुभेच्छा. उसका आज 80 का जन्मदिन पर उसको बहुत बहुत बधाई.
નમસ્કાર. આજે અશ્વિનભાઈનો 80મો વર્ષ પૂરા થઈ છે. એમને ઘણી એમને વધાઈઓ અમારા તરફથી. હેપી બર્થડે ટુ અશ્વિનભાઈ.
मुरादे हो पूरी सजे हर तमन्ना, मुरादे हो पूरी सजे हर तमन्ना, सफलता की दुनिया में आप चांद बन के रहना.
Jai Shri Krishna. I am very happy that we are celebrating Ashwin Bhai's 88th birthday.
So I'm very happy and proud that Ashwin Bhai is a young man only of 80 years. A long way to go. He will definitely be a centenarian, but I'm sure that will be yet another landmark in his very illustrious career.
उद्योग रत्न अश्विन भाई 80 साल पूरा कर रहे हैं. मैं एक्सेल परिवार की ओर से उनका अभिष्ट चिंतन करता हूं और अश्विन भाई जीवे शरदा शतम.
Hi bhai, today is a special day. and I'm incredibly grateful to be here to celebrate this milestone special day with you. And I couldn't be prouder to call you my father. Looking back at all these years, I'm filled with admiration for everything that you've accomplished. Your sincerity, strength, love, and compassion have shaped not just my life, but the lives of everyone around you. Through your life, you've shown me what it means to live with integrity, to work hard, and to care for others with all your heart. You remember everyone with so much fondness. Even if you're busy, if you're passing by their house, you will have no time to meet them, but you'll make a quick call and said, "હું અહીંયાથી જઈ રહ્યો હતો, તમે યાદ આવ્યા, એટલે I just called to say hello." I have so many cherished memories with you, and we have so many milestones together. I truly, truly cherish each one of them deeply in my life. Bhai, as you turn 80 today, I hope you know how much you mean to me. I love you with all my heart, and I wish you all the best on your 80th birthday.
Hello, we are back again. So, can we just call Ashwin Bhai up here and would like to know your view on the journey we have shown for you.
जरा म्यूजिक नहीं चाहिए अभी। हाँ जी, thank you very much. Am I audible to everybody? Yesterday there was some difficulty, so I'm asking. Now, thank you very much, all the organizers of the program. It's not only joyous, it's a bit overwhelming. Not all that you have seen, please don't believe all of that. Some of it may be a little overdone, but the spirit is very good, so thank you very much for that. Help me to relive many of the memories and the occasions, many of the people that I have met, and some of my characteristics. Not all of them are good, but some which are good obviously have been highlighted. Those which are not worthwhile, they have not been mentioned. So thank you for being kind to me. Okay, thank you very much.
Maybe request Anshul Ben, Ravi Bhai and Rishit Bhai to come forward and we can raise the balloons with Ashwin Bhai.
Before we do that, let me say my pranams to all my elders and dear ones.
So now, since you all have watched this, we have some few questions to throw on you and we have some special prize also for that. So we are coming up with a few questions for all of you and whoever will reply quickly will get the prize. Okay, the first question here it is. In which year Excel Industry was established?
1941.
So that prize goes to Susan and the answer was 1941.
Alright, the second question. In which year was Excel's first public issue floated out? Yes, that's the
Correct.
correct answer. The prize goes to Mr. Surendra Singh, sir. Give a big round of applause, everyone. Sir, a picture. It's a picture.
So the now next question. Name any two NGOs in which Ashwin Bhai is associated. Excel NGOs.
FFI.
Okay.
Which is the second one?
SFI. It's
That's the wrong
SFI.
one.
Strong Foundation. SFI.
Partially correct.
Partially
Half. So this one's a little sweet one. How many grandchildren does Ashwin Bhai have? Santosh sir. Santosh sir, yeah. Please, he was the first one. Please come on. That's the correct answer. 5.
का नाम 5 में से बता पाएंगे.
Sorry, I
No problem.
No problem. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Next question. Yeah.
Okay.
गूगल पे पूछ के बताएंगे वो IT वाले.
In which area of Mumbai did he spend his childhood?
Shekhar sir. Congratulations, sir. Yeah. Okay. Is Ashwin Bhai a tea person or a coffee person? Pramila ma'am. She said it first. Yeah, please come. Thank you so much.
Which award did he receive in 2018?
It was mentioned in the movie. No, that's incorrect. Yeah, Viraj?
Yes, Vipin Bhai. Chemexcel Lifetime Achievement Award.
Congratulations, sir. Oh, please.
Come here. मेरा भी फोटो घर में लाना चाहिए. हाँ, आइए.
What is the overall head count of Excel Industries? Approximate number. Overall.
Yes, 1100. Quick 5 minutes meeting when he calls. What he calls? I think Innovation Center is always right for that. Please come.
Standing committee. Correct. Here. Congratulations. In which year did he receive the ICC Lifetime Achievement Award? We can't get 2 pens. Yeah, Viraj? Yes, please. That's the correct answer. 2012.
Okay, so that our quiz session ends here.
वाह, अब बारी है इस शाम को और शानदार और सुरीली बनाने की. सुरीली? हाँ, सुरीली शाम सादर करते हैं हमारे एक्सेल परिवार के संगीत के सितारे. तो पेश करते हैं हमारे संगीत के सितारे.
पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो. पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो. जीवन मीठी प्यार ये कहती हो. पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो.
Most of you know Mahesh. He drives my car. Now I am going to make it conditional कि कल से खाली ड्राइविंग नहीं, साथ में गाना गाना पड़ेगा. नहीं तो कल से
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उठा, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उठा, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
क्या बात है। हमें उम्मीद है कि आप सभी को इस कार्यक्रम का आनंद आया होगा। अश्विन भाई भी हमारे सुरीले सम्राटों से झूम उठे हैं, है ना भाई? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। आज एक और ख़ास बात जो हुई है कि अश्विन भाई के 80वें सालगिरह पर मांडवी के VRTI कैंपस में R&D प्रोजेक्ट के सीवीड कल्चर लैब का इनॉग्रेशन हुआ है। और सुबह जैसे अश्विन भाई ने मुझे सीवीड वाली कहा, तो इस खुशखबरी को तो मैं ही आपको वापस एक भेंट के तौर पर दे रही हूँ, जिसमें गिव अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज एवरीवन, जिसमें लैंड बेस्ड कल्टीवेशन उल्वा और ग्लेसियर ड्यूरा पर कमर्शियल स्केल पे शुरू हो चुका है। इसी के चलते हम कार्यक्रम के अंत तक पहुंच आ गए हैं और वक्त का पता ही नहीं चला। इसी मौके पर आप सभी को इस कार्यक्रम से जुड़े रहने के लिए और सभी एक्सेल परिवार के सहकर्मियों का खास धन्यवाद और अभिनंदन करना चाहती हूँ। आज आप सबके योगदान से हम इस खास मौके को और भी खास बना पाए हैं। आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि आप भोजन का आनंद लें और ईश्वर से अश्विन भाई के लंबी उम्र की प्रार्थना करें। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, शुभ रात्रि।
I'll take a few minutes. You heard Mahesh sing the first song and we all enjoyed it. This is his daughter, Shruti. Are you here? Shruti, get up. Please come here. This is done by Shruti. So, thank you very much. Now I am going to ask a question which is one of Excel's specialities, I would say. Shruti is third generation Excelite. Her father is Mahesh. Mahesh's father, Bikhu Bhai, he worked in our R&D here in Jogeshwari. Mahesh has been part of Excel for 25 years and Shruti has been part of us not even for 2.5 years. But for 2.5? Not 1.5 year. Okay. So let me tease all of you with a question. How many third generation walas do we have in Excel? Third generation वाले जो है वो जरा खड़े हो जाओ। विजय तुम थर्ड जनरेशन नहीं है, तुम सेकंड जनरेशन है, बैठ जाओ। Okay, so thank you very much. And many are connected one way or the other with Excel. So even if they leave Excel, they are still dil se connected. Javadekar, you are a good example. Okay. Now let's say Anil Bhai, Kirti Bhai, they are part of Excel and they have continued for I don't know how many years. Shanti Kumar Bhai, my brother, please get up. He was associated way back in 56 or 57. Please come here for a minute. I would like to acknowledge you. He was probably the first person in Mumbai to start using computers. That company has died long back. I don't even remember the name. What was the name of the British company? Sinclair. There was a computer brand called Sinclair which has now disappeared long back. About 3 months back, I went to his new house in Warsaw. Before I could enter the hall, he said, "Hey, 1 minute, come to my laboratory." So we went to his laboratory where he is using 3D printers. And what is his age? 87. He is entering 88. So being up to date with all the technology at this age, so he is an excellent example. So thank you, Shanti Kumar Bhai, for being there. His mother was my Masi, and we had a wonderful time. We would go to their house often, and we had a wonderful time. Now, one question to Dr. Patkar. Some of you know that he is the writer of a book called Mind and Monkey. So I wanted to ask him, where would he classify me, mind or Murti or where? But he is not there to answer that. If any of you would like to share any of my monkeyness, feel free, please feel free. I thought you got up to say I'm a monkey. Vikram and Neetaben, please come. I would like everyone to meet you. These are Amrita's parents, and now they have become my good friends. So thank you for coming for the occasion. Yeah, and Anshul, please get up. She came specially for the 80th from Sydney, from Australia. So thank you. Dr. Bhatt, Dr. Ramesh Bhatt has been associated with Excel as a medical advisor for many, many years. He and I share the same age, and he has taken care of my health, Usha's health, our family's health, and all the Excelites' health for 50 years or more than 50 years. 50 years. So let's thank.
One month younger too.
Sorry?
My age, 1 month younger.
Yeah, he is 1 month
Younger too.
younger than me. So he is very young. Right. Anil bhai, would you like to say anything?
हेलो अश्विन भाई के साथ मेरा एसोसिएशन 1960 से है। मैं और अश्विन भाई हम लोग दोनों साथ में काम करते थे, और अश्विन भाई की सिस्टर जो रेणुबेन, वो हम लोग साथ में क्रिकेट खेलते थे। उस टाइम पे अश्विन भाई कॉलेज में थे, कॉलेज में पढ़ते थे। मेरे को लगता है 1960 में आप कॉलेज में पढ़ते थे, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है। और अश्विन भाई की शादी हो गई, वो भी मुझे याद है कि उसकी कभी एंगेजमेंट हुआ, कभी वहाँ पे मैरिज हुआ, और क्या क्या कैसा हुआ सब मुझे याद है। और अश्विन भाई के साथ हम लोगों ने बहुत टाइप के काम किए हैं कि जिसके अंदर अब हम डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर सकते कौन सा काम नहीं किया है। अब अश्विन भाई बोले कि चलो ये करो, तो वो काम इमीडिएट होना ही चाहिए। और अश्विन भाई का एक पहले से बचपन से एक नेचर था कि कोई भी काम के लिए कभी भी मना मत करो, आपसे नहीं होगा लेकिन हंसते हंसते काम करो, और उसका सोल्यूशन तो निकलने वाला ही है। और सोल्यूशन हम लोग को मिल जाता था, और हमेशा हम लोग अच्छी तरह से कोई काम कर लेते थे। सपोज कि मैंने अम्बोली का एक एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ कि अम्बोली में हम लोग को ऐसा प्रॉब्लम भी आया था कि जिसके अंदर केमिकल के अंदर ब्लास्ट भी हो गया था। ब्लास्ट होने के बाद उसका सोल्यूशन कैसा लाने का, और प्लांट के अंदर क्या करने का, तो वो भी सोल्यूशन हम लोगों ने सब मिल के सब कर दिया था। तो इसीलिए अश्विन भाई के साथ जो काम करने का जो मज़ा आता है, और अश्विन भाई का एक नेचर था कि कभी भी छुपाने का नहीं, जो होगा एकदम इमीडिएट बोल दो। और उसके बाद में अश्विन भाई को मिलने के लिए कभी टाइम लेने का नहीं, हमेशा फ्री रहते हैं। वेलकम, वर्कर्स भी मिल सकते हैं, स्टाफ भी मिल सकते हैं, कोई भी आदमी होगा तो ऑलवेज वेलकम। और जो प्रॉब्लम होगा ऑन द स्पॉट का डिसीजन ले लो। थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू अनिल भाई। अनिल भाई की एक बात मुझे याद है, जरा आपसे बता दूं। Excel was one of the first in Mumbai, maybe in India, to start a biogas plant. As some of you know, Jogeshwari was known, it was full of Bhais ke tabele. Even this place was a Bhais ka tabela, which Papa had at 200 rupees per month, 1.5 acres of land. And we set up Excel here in 1941. आजू बाजू में सब तबेले थे, अभी भी एक दो बाकी है, बचे हैं, अभी जा रहे। तो गोबर की कोई कमी नहीं थी, और तभी ये बायोगैस का प्लांट की टेक्नोलॉजी आ रही थी, तो हमने पहले डाली थी इधर बायोगैस का यूनिट था। और अनिल भाई को शौक़ है बात करने का सबसे। तो एक बार ऐसे बात करते करते कुछ पीछे जा रहे थे, और जो बायोगैस यूनिट का जो वो ढक्कन निकल गया था, जहाँ गोबर था, गोबर और पानी, उसके अंदर अनिल भाई गिर गए थे। आज भी मुझे याद है।
और सब लोग बोलते हैं अनिल भाई किधर है, तो मेरा मुट्ठी बाहर निकला तो पता चला।
दूसरा, यहाँ जो लेडीज बैठी है, आप में से कोई लोगों ने शायद प्लास्टिक कैन यूज़ किया होगा। किसी ने किया है? नहीं किया है तो वेल आई एम सॉरी, लेकिन मिस्टर शांति कुमार मर्चेंट was the first one in Excel. We had introduced plastic cane. Mummy, my mother used to be fond of doing cane work, and at that time it was only imported from Singapore. I think it was called by some other name. Okay. And then there was a shortage. So mummy had started one project, and somehow it was not proceeding because there was no cane available. Papa and Kaka were visiting Germany, and they went to Hex plant, Hex, the German company. So the Germans very proudly said, Mr. Shroff, we have just introduced this new plastic, which is very strong. It can be extruded, it can be molded, and it's very strong. It's stronger than steel. And he gave a sample. So Papa put it quietly in his pocket, brought it here, and then because of this mummy's problem of the cane not being available, we developed a cane technology to make plastic cane, where Shanti Kumar Bhai was the first one who developed that, and we were making it here for quite some time. So many ladies who have been doing cane work, please thank us, please thank Shanti Kumar Bhai for starting that. Jagdish Bhai, Ninath, any thoughts you would like to share? You have been very, very old colleagues. Anyone else has any story to tell? Pratik Bhai wants to say something. Mr. Pratik Kadakia.
I just have a very small, brief, humorous anecdote. It was 1993. I had just graduated from my college and university, and I was working as an executive assistant. So one of my first jobs was to prepare the paper on the cascading effect of sales tax, which was impacting the white phosphorus production in India. I toiled a lot, and I presented the paper to my colleagues, and I quickly earned the nickname, "This boy is an MBA, mane badu avde chhe." So I was asked that આજે સાંજે ICMA ની મીટિંગ છે, અશ્વિનભાઈ આવશે, તો એમની જોડે બેસજે મીટિંગ પછી અને આ પેપર તારું ફાઇનલાઇઝ કરી કાઢજે. So that was the first time that I met Ashwin Bhai in 1993, and he was leading the ICA delegations for a lot of representations to the government. I went with cold sweat because the meeting kind of ended around 7:38 when they were all done. And Ashwin Bhai patiently gave me a listening, and at the back of my mind I was always thinking, I'm going to get one more validation of mane badhu avde chhe. But at the end of that meeting I felt very good. I was given a lot of good guidance, a patient listening, and I felt very good, and that's what I mentioned next day to my colleagues. And little did I know that I'm going to have that opportunity many times in my life. And thank you, sir, for your continued guidance, and wish you happy and healthy life going forward.
Gaynor wants to say something. She has been an old colleague. I was otherwise going to invite you, but good that you raised your hand. Welcome the young lady, Gaynor.
Not young anymore, just 10 years younger than Ashwin Bhai. But, okay. So I cannot resist the opportunity of, there are many anecdotes, there are many beautiful stories. We share IPM, ICM, and Ashwin Bhai was always appreciative of my hunger to learn, and he conferred an MSc Agri degree on me for the knowledge that I gained, which till today I feel very proud of, and asked me and said to me that you can take over from any of these guys. The marketing team was there, so I feel very happy. But one very sweet story I want to share to tell you about this humane person. A lot of fantastic stories which we've heard today, but one that touched my heart. I was on my way home, walking from Jogeshwari office to the station, and Ashwin Bhai stopped the car and said, "Can I drop you somewhere?" And I said, "It's okay, I'll walk to the station." So he said, "I'll drop you." So we sat, and he said the most sweetest thing. He said, "So how do you manage your home life and your work life, and you're a traveling mother?" I said, "It's not easy, it's tough." But he says, "Is there anything I can do to help?" You know, maybe in those days he was a he was so forward in his thinking. He said, can we have flexi timings for ladies? And I said to myself, wow. But he said, thank you so much, Ashwin bhai, but I'm not the only lady. There are so many of us who are in similar situations, leave their children in, with babysitters. And that you even asked, that you even thought is enough for me. It's just beautiful that you think of us as human beings and more women as working both home and family. I'll never forget that. There are a million stories, I don't want to take time. But since I'm here, I would like to sing a few lines of a song that I think is very meaningful today. And that is, may the good Lord bless and keep you, whether near or far away. May you find that long-awaited golden day today. May your troubles all be small ones, and your fortunes 10 times 10. May the good Lord bless and keep you till we meet again. May the good Lord bless and keep you till we meet again. Thank you, Ashwin bhai.
We can meet tomorrow itself.
Yeah, we will.
Thank you for the lovely song. Okay. Now Jagdish bhai wants to say something.
So I was trying to remember what is it that is not so far covered. But Ashwin bhai has been an excellent chairman at the board meetings and more importantly also at the shareholders meetings. And of course at the board meetings has been makes everybody, all the board members participate in the discussion, takes their inputs. Even if, he would invite them to give their views and seek their inputs and all. But the shareholders meeting in a lighter spirit, ever since Ashwin bhai took up the chairmanship, I am also one of them, but there are quite a few members who suddenly, there was no tension that because shareholders can ask questions, you can't anticipate questions. But Ashwin bhai was one. Excel Industries, Excel Crockett, Transpac Industry, all these three publicly listed companies at that time. We were never bothered much in the sense because he knew the business, he would know the background, the history, and he would be able to answer. So thank you for that, Ashwin bhai, and you had released a lot of tension of ours at the shareholders meeting.
Yes, Ninad, I'll just call you in a minute. I'll respond to what Jagdish bhai said. The chairmanship, especially for the AGMs of shareholders that you talked about, yes, as I said, I enjoy them. I enjoy conducting them. It comes to me fairly naturally, but I have had 3 wonderful gurus who taught me how to chair a AGM. Govinji bhai was the first one, then Mr. Darbari Seth, then Narayan bhai. All 3 of them were excellent gurus for me on how to conduct an AGM, and it was wonderful learning from them, and I have tried to practice whatever I learned from them. So I thank them and I pray to them. Let me ask a question to the audience. Is there anybody who does not know Ninad?
Okay. Now, when I received this invitation, it said celebrating the life full of kindness, wisdom and grace. Now, at the age of 80, most persons who are at that age, these virtues come as a fait accompli. Because there are not many other virtues or vices they can hold at the age of 80. But Ashwin bhai has been an exception. And while going through my archives, I found a poem which was written by me on the very same day in 1996, when Ashwin bhai had completed 30 years of working in Excel. So that was the occasion, and it was in Marathi. Don't worry, I'm not going to read the entire poem. Now, how many of you don't understand Marathi? If you do good, if you don't, Jai Maharashtra. So I'll just read a part of it, and the point I want to make, the qualities that we all summarize today about Ashwin Bhai, those were all visible even 28 years back. And this is what was said that time. पपांची विद्वत्ता, भाईंची कल्पकता, काकांची नम्रता, सर्व गुणांची अश्विन भाईंकडे एकता. अश्विन भाईंचे एक वेगळे व्यवस्थापन, पैशानी यशाचे करीत नाहीत मापन, कोणत्याही प्रसंगी सर्वजण बरोबर, प्रत्येक वेळी सुवर्ण मध्य, नाही चूक नाही बरोबर, कोणत्याही समस्येचा विचार अभ्यासू, त्यातून मार्ग काढण्यास सतत जिज्ञासू, विचारात मृदुता, आचारात नम्रता, कंपनीच्या भविष्यावर घारीची एकाग्रता. थँक्यू.
मी या ठिकाणी फक्त माझा अनुभव सांगणार आहे. म्हणजे माझी उंची कशी वाढली हे सांगण्याचा एकच उद्देश आहे की माझ्या चुलत भावाला कॅन्सर झाला होता, ब्लड कॅन्सर, आणि गेल्या वर्षी मी फॉर्म भरला होता श्रॉफ चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्टमध्ये, आणि अश्विनबाईंनी 1 लाख रुपयाचं त्याला मदत दिली होती. खरोखरच म्हणजे त्या मदतीने माझी उंची, म्हणजे गावामध्ये गौतमने 1 लाख रुपये आणले आणि तो आज जिवंत आहे मुलगा आणि 35 वर्षाचा वयाचा आहे. खरोखर दर KMला तो दर महिन्याला येतो आणि त्याचे जे आजार म्हणजे त्याला जे इंजेक्शन गोळ्या वगैरे देतात ना, तर एवढ्या तो कसा सहन करतो त्याचं त्यालाच ठाऊक. पण मला गावामध्ये आज म्हणजे माझी उंची वाढली ती फक्त एक्सेलच्या अश्विनबाईंच्यामुळे, म्हणून एक्सेल आहेत म्हणून आम्ही आहोत, एवढंच बोलायचं. धन्यवाद.
One last thought. One of the pictures that you saw was all of us flying kites a few days back on the terrace in this building. Many of you are familiar that Excel's 75-year history. The title of the book on Excel's story, Excel's history, is We Made Our Own Kites. The authors, the two ladies who did the authoring, they were interviewing Kaka, and Kaka, as part of his storytelling, had mentioned to the two authors that when we were young, we used to enjoy flying kites. But our father would insist that don't buy kites, make them yourself, develop self-sufficiency. So the two ladies who wrote the book, they enjoyed that part, that we made our own kites. I tried to tell them that please don't use this title, because if you ask me how to make a kite, I don't know how to make a kite. And I also am not a good kite flyer. But they said, no, we like this title so much, so we will keep that. So anyway, borrowing from that idea, I would suggest that every year we hold the kite flying festival, preferably on the 14th, but this time it was 2 days later. So next year's kites, all of us must make the kites ourselves. HR, agreed? Yes. So no buying of kites. मांझा बनाने का नहीं बोलूँगा, लेकिन kites तो बना सकते हैं. Okay.
So here our celebration event is ending. May I request all to please join us for the dinner.